Do you know how to get to Main Street?
Main Street? Yeah, if you want to just go down this way, if you keep going there for about 1.5 miles, then you can... What are you guys doing? Oh! Where the fuck am I? What the fuck is going on? Who? Hello? Is there anybody here that can... Hello? What the fuck is this?
Well, look who finally woke up.
What is happening? Why am I here? Oh, okay.
Do you know why I brought you here?
No, I have no idea.
I'll tell you why I brought you. Shut up! Do you know why I brought you here?
I don't know.
Stop talking! Did I tell you to talk?
I think so.
Stop talking!
Indirectly, but
do you want to know why you're here? Do you know why?
Really,
don't talk to me!
That's the only question I have.
I'll tell you why I'm here. I'll tell you why you're here.
Okay.
Will you help me do this puzzle?
Yeah, sure.
Sweet!
I was puzzled when you tied me up with duct tape. I was puzzled when you gagged me with your socks. I was thoroughly perplexed, always wondering what was next, and thinking our affair was on the rocks. I was puzzled when you shattered both my kneecaps. I was puzzled when you threw me in a van. I was equally confused as I'm battered and I'm bruised. Oh, but now I think I finally understand. 'Cause now we're picking up the pieces, putting each one in its place. Each day when I arise, I look in your evil eyes, and I think I've grown accustomed to your face. Well, some folks call it Stockholm.
This kitten's kind of creepy looking, right?
I haven't eaten in like a week. Do you have any like food?
Nope.
Really?
That kitten's buried somewhere in this basement. We could try to dig that up.
Well, how fresh?
Long enough for me to take a picture of it, kill it, bury it, and then go get this puzzle made.
Sounds a little game.
Yeah, it probably has some maggots growing out of it by now.
Yeah.
That could be good protein though.
Probably.
Yeah.
What's that?